Timaru top 10. There's Craig and Ivan's house, Marcus and Brett's house. That's, who's that guy?
Hey.
Ah, alcoholics.
Should have recorded the images last night. Ivan,
Me?
he's shaking his head at the Canadian gloves, the full ones.
The devil's drink.
You're not mine. I'm just merely the courier.
Courier.
The mule. The mule, yeah, that's right.
How was your ride today? Did you see any?
Dog or a cat?
Did you see any police today?
No. Yeah, I did. None of them were looking at me. You didn't see them. I did. I saw his lights. Putting the centre.
Oh, you leaving that on?
Turn around.
Hey?
You leaving that on?
Well, I think we were going out again, so. Yeah, Craig spent $4,000 on a radar detector that doesn't go.
It does go, doesn't it? You have it all fixed.
It does go, but I didn't see it. But it didn't pick up that.